camera recording.
I was just joking.
Oh my god, this kid is stupid. Walk on YouTube, you know, it's your boy Click, man. You're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at some Karens, and not just regular Karens. These are Karens who steal and who got caught stealing at people's doorsteps. You know, those people that they see your package, they see UPS just dip off real quick because you know UPS likes to chuck that shit, and they're like, "Hey, free package for me." So they go and help themselves, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like right now, man. The like and sub is the important thing out here, man. And let me know what you think about these moments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I have a feeling
Okay.
that when MC Hammer sang about Hammer Time, what this Kevin is doing didn't
Oh,
come
it's the
to
same
mind,
guy again.
But I could be wrong. All I know is that he shouldn't be touching that doorbell.
Birmingham, UK.
Oh, what is got? This is a man possessed, they say. What is wrong with this man? I don't even understand what he's doing.
Obviously, he doesn't like the ring cameras pointing at him.
Okay.
So he's taking every measure to sabotage the ring cameras.
Right, but what's the issue?
This guy just needs to move out.
When that door slapped the fuck out of him, shut your ass up, boy. That's what you get, stupid ass. That is what your dumb ass gets. I know that hurt and it scared him because he did not expect that shit. Get what you give. Like, does he understand that people can see?
Privacy issues, or does this guy have mental issues? What do you think?
Both. Oh, he back. He back. A new hammer. New camera, too.
This ring doorbell
Sicko.
shows just how crazy this Karen is. Even when the house owner asks her to leave the property, she's not having any of it. I'd hate to know what she'd do if he was there in person.
Oh. One of them ones. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Open up, please. Just for a sec.
Yo, so you see, my problem here is, you see when people come to your house, if you don't, like, voluntarily open the door, nobody should tell you to open the door. That's fucking weird, bro. Like...
Can we help you?
Yeah, he can.
Yes, you can.
What's that?
She's possessed.
Huh?
I seen it. This is the exorcism.
It's that mama song. Mufasa.
What are you...
It's from Mufasa. 2.
Huh?
Who's this?
I'm the owner. You need we need you to leave, please.
Oh no. Absolutely not. I own this house.
What?
You do not own this house.
Yes, I do. But you can have it.
Well, nigga...
And a lot more.
What is the point of this conversation?
You have to leave or we'll call the cops.
I am the cops. Oh, okay. I thought that was gonna be the next one. Bro, she's psycho.
Alright. Well I'm gonna call him then.
Say that again, Logan.
Oh, what?
Zach, just stay right there. I'm gonna call the cops and have them come in.
Okay. Hurry up.
That's the crystal meth laugh. I've heard it many times.
Oh my gosh. You better hurry up.
I mean, you ain't got shit else to do.
Rashana.
What? Bro, honestly, I would...
Hi. Who am I speaking with?
Where's that scary movie?
Look, I'm getting ready to take off in a minute. But I'll be be back here in about a few hours. We have an event tonight, right?
What?
You're marrying somebody and I'm marrying somebody.
Bro.
Karen
I
and
am
Kevin are
lost.
so entitled, and they do not care that their neighbor's Ring doorbell films what they do. What they ask is absolutely crazy.
Just married and I'm in my slippers. Oh, crap. This is such a problem.
Everybody have the same fucking doorbell company and
We ran out of gas,
camera.
and I seen your gas truck out back. If you don't mind, we're gonna use it, but we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna bring it back. And we got your
We're
last.
only gonna use half. We'll fill it back up.
We got your last beer, and I know she got the message about her family.
Nigga said we took a beer as well. Bro, what?
They can't stay here. But is
We're
that
just gonna put a tent right
tent.
out here. That way they don't bother you
You're right.
and anything. And then my mom doesn't get disturbed either by anybody at our house that wants to have a good time late at night. So
we?
thank you for that, though.
We're gonna hook the
We'll
tent
hook the
up.
tent up tomorrow night.
We'll have it
and
hooked up.
she'll come down. You'll never know she's here, and then she'll leave in the morning.
And this is alcohol.
We're gonna hook power up to it.
Power.
We'll have it all hooked up for them, but we appreciate
Thanks,
it.
guys.
Thanks.
Who said yes?
Gas, go back up. Promise. Thank you.
Karen here doesn't
Who the
believe
fuck
that
said
her
yes?
neighbor deserves privacy. But what would you do if your doorbell caught your neighbor doing this? I'd go crazy.
Huh? Are we? I'm confused. That's for sure. Is she transforming? Yo, what is she doing, bro? She's been here for at least 20 seconds now.
Ring doorbells truly capture all of humanity, including this Karen who tries to steal a parcel. But when she's caught red-handed by the owner, she gets second
Oh
thoughts.
my
Take
God.
a look.
Yo, that must be so embarrassing. You didn't even. Why didn't you just try to like kick it down the stairs? You bent down right in front of the door.
No, don't do that.
Karen here truly.
That's all she could do,
realize
really.
How fast karma can truly come around. Do you think this is deserved?
Why do that? She about to drop her ass in the street. Sinkhole! Is she getting splashed? Oh. Wow. That's them. Oh, What, they're undercovers? She must have been doing this on the block.
This clip
She
proves
been
that
doing
it
that
doesn't
shit.
matter how old you are, you can still be a Kevin. If he's starting off this young, I'd hate to think what he's gonna do when he's older.
I said Kevin.
Camera recording.
I was just joking.
Oh my God, this kid is stupid. I was just joking. No, you were not. And you feel stupid. Man, just go. I said, I was just joking. You know damn well you weren't gonna knock shit.
Hello, hi. Are y'all home?
Why? Tell people, man, you ain't good at stealing. Why are you trying to steal?
Okay. Bye.
If this was my kid, I would be disaster.
This
Not
Karen will
because
do whatever she.
he tried to steal, but because he was so stupid
He
about
has
it.
to not be seen on
Like,
her neighbor's doorbell.
horrible.
The only problem is, there is a rather large flaw in her plan. Can you spot it?
Hmm? Don't tell me that she thought that that little box was blocking out the whole camera. Please. Please. Please come back and take this shit up. Oh, wow. She really did. Oh, wow. Some of us are just too smart. Yeah, I think it might be a little too late now, but that's all it is, man. Some of us are just, we just got all the smarts. And here is one of them for you. Jesus Christ. Bless her soul. Can't make this shit up, I guess. Yep. It's crazy. It's almost like you're not there with a bright neon green shirt on. You block the camera so well. Wow. That is talent.